Hello friends, today I am going to start one of the problem which comes under operation research topic which is designed to MBA second semester student, that is water transportation and assignment problem, right? First, I'm going to start what is exactly the transportation problem. Transportation problem can be defined as the number of unit transferred from supply point to demand point and variable cost of a shipping from original price, that is supply point to demand point, would be considered for a transportation problem. After that, how to write down or how to define the formulation of the transportation problem, because we know very well in operation research or a quantitative techniques for manager, it is one of the numerical aspect through which you can take a decision of the organization problem, right? It means first you have to knowledge about what is exactly the transportation problem and how you are going to convert all the problem into numerical aspect, right? Here there is a one of the example, one of the company, that is what a Powerco company. There is a three electrical power plants are designed, or there are a three electrical power plants which is considered as a supply, as well as there would be demand of four cities for that electricity needs, right? How to write down that transportation problem? Transportation table is a one of the specific characteristic through which you can define all the supply and demand point through help of the shipping cost, right? First you have to knowledge about how to write down the transportation problem, or you can say how the quantitative value is converted into row and column wise. Fine. Now, in a row wise, you have to write down what a plant 1, plant 2, plant 3. There are a 3 manufacturer or a original price where you have to define what a supply side, right? In a row, in a column side, the city 1, city 2, city 3 and city 4. There are 4 points where the demands are originated by the city, right? Here you have to write down the demand for city 1, for city 2, for city 3 and for city 4. Similarly, you have to write down in a row side what a supply of the plant 1, plant 2, plant 3. Here total number of supply is what? 50 plus 40 plus 35 is around 125. Similarly, total demand for that is what? 45 plus 20 plus 30 plus 30 is same as 125, right? It means what is exactly solution of that transportation problem? You have to write down in a objective function and constraint. What is objective function of that transportation problem? What you want to decide about this transportation problem? You want to minimize the total cost of the shipping cost. Fine, because it is a objective of the organization to minimize total cost. This is helpful to increase the productivity, or you can say the profit of the organization. For that you have to write down in a form of what? Minimization. Each row has written down is what? The shipping cost is written down here 8x11. 11 represented here what? The supply from plant 1 to city 1. 6 is what? That shipping cost, and x12 represented here what? That is what? The plant first and the city second. What is shipping cost of the plant 1 to city 3 is $10, or you can say the 10 number of rupees. Here the last one is what? From plant 1 to city 4, the total number of variable cost is what? 9 rupees, or a $9 to transfer from original 1 to city 4 is for only 1 unit. right? This is what written down in this form. Second row is represented here in a form of that, and third row is represented like this way, right? This is what only the objective function. Now how to write down the supply constraint as well as the demand constraint. Supply side is written in a form of, because supply is what, it is a limited production by each plant. The first plant have only manufactured 35 number of units which can be supplied by the original plant 1, right? Second one, plant 2 only have a capacity to manufacture 50 number of units. Similarly, plant 3 has a capacity to manufacture or a supply 40 number of unit to the various city, right? Similarly, demand constraint is what? Demand constraint accordingly to the city 1, city 2, city 3 and city 4. Only city 1 has demand of 45 number of unit. Similarly, city 2 has a demand of a 20 number of unit. 30 number of unit has demanded by city 3 and 30 number of unit is also demanded by city 4. Then demand is written down in this form. What would be the next step for that? You have to not written down a negative amount of the electricity cannot be shipped by any of the manufacturer to the transfer unit. This is what one of the formulation of the transportation problem, how to write down all of the part in this formula, right? LP formulation of power co problem, you have to conclude all the transportation formula in this part. You have to divide overall part into two parts. One is objective function and another is what, subject to. Subject to basically deal with the constraint of the organization. These are what the constraint, what the manufacturer can only manufacture these number of supply, and the demand for total number of cities are 125, which is written in a columnar wise. And this is what the objective function. Total objective function is what, the contribution of each and every point would be written in this way, right? This is only the formulation of the transportation problem. In a second part, we are going to solve the problem of the transportation problem. How to solve the transportation problem, I will be explained into second part of the transportation. Thank you.